Okay, but which of these prints are not Easter themed? Well, let me tell you. But this. I don't know what to call that. It's a thing that makes noises. We've got a Charizard over here that didn't really work. We've got supports stuck on the inside and a dodgy leg there, but whatever. A skull here where it's like a skull bowl, but I didn't even know that this, I think it was the end of the filament and it did these layers. And that matches up, but then I ran out of filament and did the top here. Is that destined for the bin? I don't know. Fidget cubes, obviously. Everyone loves these fidget cubes. These are fun to play with, but on camera it's kind of distracting. Obviously you see in the back here, it's the Sauron mask. I kind of a test. I really want to print it big. Obviously now I know where I need more supports. I think this would be wearable if I print it big on the Prusa XL. Maybe have to cut it up into pieces. Who knows? Obviously Darth Vader, you see in the background, but it's not just any. It's the, whatever this is called, thingy, fidget, cascading. It's like the thing from Destiny that slices things. And now Star Wars is in Destiny. Another fidget cube there, and then we've got this cool thing, which like, it's kind of relaxing, kind of fun fidgety to play with. So like mixed threads, and it can't go past there because it's got like a brim or something. So yeah, that's fun to play with. Oh, and the sensory stuff is really sharp and really, well, I used to find them fun to play with, but now I just don't get it. Kind of spiky, good to have. This prints in two halves and you twist it together. This one printed in a hole, but you've seen this already, I think. And then we got the faces. They're like pass-through faces, which you do this with the, and you go, yeah. Ooh, face, and now I can't get it back in on the thing. Yeah. Ooh, I got it back in. Okay, what else? We got the dragon hoarder here, who's hoarding Easter eggs now. Oh, and I didn't do the dragon guy. That's a really cool wall mount. And it's got a screw thing at the back, so you can just stick it up on the wall. And is this a pangolin? This one's fun. Sounds cool. It looks cool. He's super cute. Rolls up into a ball. Obviously it's silk filament, so very fragile. Talk about fragile silk filaments. This Goku and Shenron did not survive. But oh well. And then we got this fabric here, which I thought it would make noise, but it doesn't. It's printed so smooth, unlike the pangolin there. It's almost silent, but it is quite smooth and nice, and it's two different colours, and I don't know. Maybe it's worth its weight. I don't know. Then another dragon here. It's kind of, I thought it was a black filament, turned out to be like kind of a green filament. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Changing focus, it's changing light. Anyway, I did some rub and buff to make it like a bit black, a bit gold. And I tried to paint this with some acrylic pens. I don't know if this one's destined for the bin. But anyway, that's some of my favourite prints this year.